So when we arrived in the library, we went directly to the information desk. So it was located in the middle of the hall when you get inside, and we asked if how we could get the radon detector kit or the radon tester, and then we were asked to go to a section at the side where all of the reserved books, CDs, DVDs, and everything were placed, and you just have to find. Was it alphabetical, babe? Yep. So it was placed. Yeah. So it was placed in an orderly manner according to your family name. So it was under case family name. So the identification there was the first four digits of your family name, and then the last four digits of your digital library code. And then so we went there, and then we searched all over, and then found um, the radon tester kit or the radon detector kit. So it was placed in a cute plastic container. At first, I thought it was a food container, but I guess it can also be a food container. And then we went back to the front desk, which is no, not the front desk, the desk in the middle. So we were asked with our um, library card. So bring with you your library card, or at least your ID. But the best thing that you are going to bring with you is your library card. Unfortunately, during that time, we weren't able to bring our library card, but they asked for our IDs, so we were able to provide our IDs because we always bring our ID. And then so that was it. It was just very easy. I don't know how many days or how many weeks we waited for that. I couldn't recall anymore. But so today is today's December 15, and then the due date to return the radon detector kit will be on January 26th. So that you have enough time to return it, because you only need 30 days to you only need 30 days to monitor your room for any radon. So if you could return it earlier as you can. So once after you use it, then just head back to the library and then return it. So later on, I am going to make a separate video on how you are going to use the radon detector kit. So um, I'm just going to show you what we got here. So this is the one. So this is the one that I'm talking about. So look at the container. It's a plastic container. So it's like the food container. So the main purpose that they place this on a plastic container is, of course, to protect the device itself, because the device itself is not cheap. So if you go to Amazon, um, this is the cost of this varies, because sometimes it goes on sale, and then sometimes it goes back to the original pricing. The last time that I checked, it was $149. So I'm going to check right now the price, and then I'm going to put it somewhere here for you to see. And then if you don't want to wait for the radon detector kit, you can buy it from Amazon. So link is in the description below. So I will put two links over there. The other link will be the radon tester that we bought in advance. So I'm just going to open this one for you right now. So all right, so this is what it says here in the box. It says here, um, radon detector kit contents. So here you go. The, so I'm just going to read it aloud for you. So there is a radon detector kit or the device, then the legal disclaimer, so you have to read it, and then device instructions, some request for test results, Department of Natural Resources, then lands disclaimers, and then what is radon fact sheet, and then program partners. So the program partner here is, I think it's the Breathe Long Association. So I think they're the ones who sponsored this one. So this is the one that we got inside. They provide two batteries here. So brand is Kirkland. Obviously, this is from what do you call this? From Costco. Oh no, it's not two. It's there are three AAA batteries. Then the device itself. So this is the device. So the brand actually that they let us borrow is Air Things. This is the one that this is the same brand that we bought also in advance. This is the cheaper version. The one that we bought is a bit more expensive. It was around $199 because that includes temperature and then humidity test or monitoring, and then but this one it will just monitor purely radon. Okay, and then inside the box there is the instruction, and then so I'm just gonna put this aside. So the batteries. So they have the paper here. I think this is okay. It's the Breathe Long Association, and then there is the um, yeah. So if you are going to submit the radon test result, there is an email address here. The details are also here. I would suggest you submit this one also because this would greatly help the province on gathering data. Next is yeah, this is the this is the fact sheet about what is a radon. So I don't want to talk about it much more in this video because I don't want to bore you, but you could search it in the internet. And then what else? So it's another paper here, and there is this one. I don't know what's this. And what else? There's another paper. Oh, the legal disclaimer paper. So just read it. And then what else? So it's another legal disclaimer paper. So these are the ones that we got from the library, and it's so helpful. It's we're very fortunate to have this because of course we just want to be concerned of our health, and we just want to detect whatever that needs to be detected. And I hope there's just only minimal that will be detected. Pretty sure it's gonna be minimal.